Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a live streaming of China Plus 2021. And what are the technology highlights for the exhibition this year? So the technology highlights are able to be summed up to 5 key technology areas. First, 5G applications cross over revolutionary plastics and rubber technologies. Second, circular economy and green technology, which is a hot topic around the world. In the show, you can find 100% biodegradable plastics and bio-based reinforced composites, all kinds of recycled plastics and production equipments which can use recycled plastics, plastics recycling technology. Third, Industry 4.0 intelligent technology. Due to the epidemic for more than a year, the digitalization of manufacturing industry has been accelerated. Most of the machinery exhibits are smart and also digital production equipment. High-performance materials, engineering plastics and reinforced carbon fiber composite materials. Don't miss materials for electronic components and equipment. And also materials meeting the charging requirements of electric vehicles and a variety of materials for auto parts. Fifth, flexible product design solutions. So the 5 key technology areas are able to assist us to cope with the new normal of the market. And if you are interested in our show, you're always welcome to visit our show. But if you cannot come in person, don't worry. We have our official live streaming team, and this live streaming will be aired all days during the exhibition period. Also, we'll bring our show highlights and also exciting moments to you wherever you are and whenever you are. Thank you.